As we age, our skin needs a little extra TLC, and finding the right moisturizer is key to maintaining its elasticity, hydration, and youthful glow. In today's video, we're reviewing the best moisturizers for mature skin, tackling issues like fine lines, dryness, and loss of firmness. We'll cover 5 top products: Augustinus Beta The Rich Cream, CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream, Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream, Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair, and Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Deep Cream. Let's dive right in to find the best fit for your skincare routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Augustinus Beta The Rich Cream. Augustinus Beta The Rich Cream is a luxury moisturizer that claims to restore skin to its youthful appearance while offering deep hydration. Known for its advanced formula, this cream is packed with powerful ingredients that help tackle aging concerns like fine lines and loss of elasticity, making it a standout for mature skin. Key features: the Rich Cream features Augustinus Beta's proprietary TFC8, Trigger Factor Complex 8, a blend of natural amino acids, vitamins, and synthesized molecules that support skin regeneration. It also includes squalane, which hydrates and plumps the skin, and a blend of antioxidants that protect against free radicals, further improving skin texture. Benefits and usage: this cream is formulated for those with dry to very dry skin, making it an excellent choice for mature skin that craves moisture. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by improving skin texture and tone. The Rich Cream should be used both morning and night for optimal results. Apply a generous amount to cleanse skin, gently massaging it in. Usability: the Rich Cream is thick and luxurious in texture, making it ideal for those seeking a deeply hydrating experience. It absorbs well without feeling greasy and leaves a smooth, non-tacky finish, making it suitable for daily use under makeup or as a nighttime treatment. Durability: while it's priced on the higher end, the Rich Cream's effects on the skin are long-lasting. Most users report seeing visible improvements in skin texture and hydration within a few weeks of use. The jar is generously sized, providing good value despite the high cost. In the second spot, we have CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream is an affordable yet effective moisturizer, particularly for those with mature skin. It contains a unique blend of essential ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and peptides, providing hydration and improving the skin's barrier function. This nighttime moisturizer is perfect for restoring your skin while you sleep. Key features: this cream is enriched with MVE delivery technology, which ensures long-lasting hydration throughout the night. It contains essential ceramides, which help restore the skin's natural barrier, as well as hyaluronic acid that draws moisture into the skin. Peptides support the skin's natural renewal process, helping to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Benefits and usage: CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream helps rejuvenate the skin overnight, providing deep hydration and promoting the repair of damaged skin. It's ideal for dry and mature skin types that need extra moisture. Apply the cream to your face and neck in the evening after cleansing for smooth, plump skin by morning. Usability: this night cream has a rich texture but is non-greasy, allowing for easy application and quick absorption. It's fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin types as well. The jar packaging may not be as hygienic as a pump bottle, but the formula itself makes it easy to incorporate into any skincare routine. Durability: CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream is a highly durable product, with a large quantity at an affordable price point. It's perfect for daily use, and many users report seeing smoother, more hydrated skin over time. With continued use, the cream's moisturizing effects last overnight and beyond. Coming in at number 3 is the Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream. Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream is a well-known moisturizer that provides anti-aging benefits and hydration in one product. Formulated with a blend of aminopeptides, this cream helps to visibly lift and firm the skin while reducing the appearance of wrinkles, making it a great choice for those with mature skin. Key features: Olay Regenerist is packed with an aminopeptide complex that targets skin's elasticity and firmness. It also includes niacinamide, which improves skin tone and texture, and hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate the skin. The formula is lightweight, allowing it to absorb quickly and deliver potent results without feeling heavy on the skin. Benefits and usage: this cream is designed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while providing intense moisture. It's perfect for those with aging skin and is suitable for both day and night use. Apply a generous amount to the face and neck after cleansing, gently massaging it in for optimal absorption. Usability: Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream has a smooth, rich texture that's easy to apply. It absorbs quickly and leaves the skin feeling plump and soft without any greasy residue. The scent is subtle and non-overwhelming, making it perfect for those with sensitive noses. Durability: Olay Regenerist is an affordable anti-aging cream that provides good value for its price. A little goes a long way, and many users report visible improvements in skin texture and appearance with consistent use. It's an excellent option for anyone looking to address signs of aging without breaking the bank. Taking our fourth spot is Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair is a powerful moisturizer that targets fine lines and wrinkles quickly. Infused with retinol SA, this cream works overnight to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, promote cell turnover, and improve overall skin texture. It's an excellent option for mature skin that needs a retinol-based treatment. Key features: retinol SA is the star ingredient in Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair. It helps accelerate the skin's natural renewal process by increasing cell turnover, which reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The cream also includes hyaluronic acid to keep the skin hydrated and plump throughout the night. Benefits and usage: this moisturizer is perfect for mature skin showing visible signs of aging. It works best at night when the skin is in repair mode. Apply a small amount to your face and neck after cleansing, and be sure to wear sunscreen during the day, as retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Usability: Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. It's non-greasy and doesn't leave behind any sticky residue, making it ideal for layering with other skincare products. It's also fragrance-free, which makes it a good option for sensitive skin types. Durability: the cream provides visible results in just a few days, with continued use leading to more significant improvements in skin texture. The small bottle lasts a long time because you only need a small amount each time. Over time, users see smoother skin and diminished fine lines, proving its efficacy. And finally, at number 5, we have Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Deep Cream. Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Deep Cream is a luxurious moisturizer designed to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while providing deep hydration. This cream combines vitamin C and collagen amino acids to restore firmness and elasticity, making it an excellent option for mature skin in need of a collagen boost. Key features: the C+ Collagen Deep Cream contains a potent mix of vitamin C and collagen amino acids, both essential for skin elasticity and brightening. The cream also includes a blend of antioxidants to protect the skin from environmental stressors, as well as hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. Benefits and usage: this cream is perfect for those looking to firm their skin while tackling signs of aging. It helps improve skin texture, reduce pigmentation, and enhance overall radiance. Use it in the morning and evening for best results, applying a generous amount to the face and neck. Usability: the texture is thick yet not heavy, absorbing well without leaving a greasy residue. It also provides a smooth base for makeup, making it versatile in your skincare routine. The light citrus scent adds a refreshing touch, making it a luxurious experience every time you apply it. Durability: Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Deep Cream is a premium product that delivers long-lasting results. Users report firmer, more radiant skin with consistent use, and the product lasts a considerable amount of time due to its rich texture, which means you don't need to use a lot to see significant benefits. And that wraps up our list of the best moisturizers for mature skin. Whether you're after deep hydration, wrinkle reduction, or boosting elasticity, there's a product here that can make a difference in your skincare routine. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting us know which moisturizer you're excited to try. Don't forget to check the description for links to all these products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep glowing and take care of your skin.